Hello, Mom and Pop's Pizzeria. I am the project manager and business systems knowledge expert and tester, Garrett Herrera, part of the team responsible for your point of sale system. Alongside myself, we have the team lead and head developer, Russell Geary, system designer, Gabriel Galat, front-end developer, Deja Hinson, who are in charge of bringing this system to your store. This system was developed to be used by our employee to log orders as they come in from customers, and also to serve as an ordering kiosk for the consumer's walk-in orders. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of our system and you are happy that all your needs are met. The interface opens with an all-blue background and the Mom and Pop's Pizzeria name and logo displayed large front and center. The top right contains the employee login button, which will take you to the employee section. The home screen offers 3 different options for your customers. The first of the 3 options is the guest order, which is a bold and bigger size than the other 2 options. This option will most likely be the most used for those quick and easy ordering scenarios. The next option we have is order with customer account. This option is used to bypass inputting your information and payment. Regular customers can use this option to access to a faster checkout. People love quick and easy, and this option will make sure that is always a possibility. The last customer option we have is to create a customer account. By using this setup, you can create a customer account to ensure that the next time you order, it will be the faster checkout option. After selecting guest order, you are taken to the order entry section of our system, which contains all the necessary requirements for ordering from Mom and Pop's Pizzeria. Notice the banner at the top displays who the current user is. If this were a returning customer using your account, you would see the corresponding name on the top, or if using guest checkout, then guest customer will be displayed. Through these subsections, you are able to click on each and will be taken to separate screens containing all of the products you offer at Mom and Pop's Pizzeria. The pizza button will take you to the pizza section. The first option users have to select is the size and crust type. After selections are made via the drop-down arrows, then the toppings can be added. You cannot add the toppings first before selecting a size or crust. Both options have to be selected in order to proceed forward. Beneath is a list of the pricing for each pizza size and how much toppings will cost to add. As you make your selections and are adding toppings, you will see the pizza total changing to reflect what your per section will be. After pizza selections are made, if correct, click to add order to add this to your total order. Cancel to remove. The next button, the drink button, will take you to the drink selection screen in which selections can be made. If you would like to add another drink, you have to fill out the drink flavor, size, and quantity options. After selecting those, then click Add a Line to add another drink item to your order. Notice there is also in the bottom section of the screen that shows the total of your current request. To finish up this screen, just select Add All Drinks in order to see these reflected in your total order summary. The side screen displays 3 pictures of the side items offered at Mom and Pop's Pizzeria. Each picture is equipped with a quantity box where you click on the drop-down area and change the quantity for each of these items. Another running total is available to see, and again, to finish adding to your total order, simply click the Add to Order button. The center of the screen displays your order summary. In this, you will see the menu item ordered, the quantity or how many you ordered, and the total price of that purchase. If you made a mistake or want to remove something from your order, simply click on the selection you want gone, and after you click, it will become highlighted. From there, you click the bottom left button with the words Remove Selected Item. After finishing with all the menu items and adding them to your total order, and you are back at the order entry screen, you can double and triple check to make sure the order is correct before proceeding. Then once everything is confirmed, simply click Complete Pay button and then select Pay Now to finish up the order.
Hi, my name is Russell Geary. In addition to being your lead developer, I'm also a business owner. That's why I'm keenly aware of the vital role that this software provides to you, your customers, and your brand. In the following sections, I will illustrate our contribution by contrasting the customer experience with the employee and management software features. Both the customer-facing kiosk and the employee terminal load to this initial starting point. Employees and managers will select the employee option located at the top right of the screen. Once selected, this login view appears, requiring a password to proceed. This feature provides for the protection of sensitive information and payment options. Once logged in, you will see at the top the current user is listed as company employee. Special care has been given to ensure that the application design will not require a steep learning curve. This not only contributes to its ease of use, it will also translate to fewer user-induced errors, thus bringing a cost savings to your company. The order entry process is the same for company employees as it is for customers, with one vital exception. When the employee-facing terminal is logged in as employee, clicking the Complete Pay will result in the display of extended payment options. This window allows for split payments to be calculated between various accepted forms of payment. If the amount received exceeds the order total, the correct change due to the customer will be displayed just above the Finalize Payment button. When the remaining balance equals 0, the Finalize Payment button can be clicked to complete the order. The Management menu can be accessed from the home screen by selecting the Employee Login. Select the Manager Radio button and enter the secret passcode. Managers will have access to sales reports, including daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly sales to date. Additionally, they will be able to adjust void sales, edit customer details, and update passwords. In the likely event that a customer enters the store and needs to place an order while the manager is in this menu, they do have the option to jump to order entry as employee, which will immediately forward them to the order entry screen logged in as an employee. One of the important features of the application is the ability for the manager to enter the management screen while the order is in process, while retaining the details of the order. While the order is in process, the manager can log in by clicking the Home button. They can then select No rather than Yes to resetting the order. With the management task complete, click Jump to Order. As you can see, the order can now be resumed and completed without the need to start over again. Selecting Yes resets the order. As expected, selecting any of the ordering options will take the user to a blank order at this point. This concludes our demonstration of the application features. In this portion of the presentation, we would like to visit one of the most important aspects of this development project. In the requirements acquisition phase, we were made aware of your intent to expand this application to web and mobile environments. Thoughtful consideration of this design aspect led to several key development features. First is the need for a centralized database to allow for all order information to be shared between customer-facing order entry points. On the back end of the application, we have a data access module that can be easily converted to communicate with an online accessible database in the cloud. Another feature is a module that enables a uniform method for merchant services processing to be utilized. While different coding languages would be required for online and mobile development, the design pattern and logic will be almost identical. This means that the porting of the code to these other platforms will require less planning. The result is a reduction in the cost and turnaround time when you're ready to move forward with your next phase of growth. As a part of the development process, extensive documentation was put in place. As a result, you can be sure that any of your employees and anyone that comes behind us to work on your system has everything they need to pick up where we left off and move forward. In addition to documentation, there are sections with screen-by-screen usage instructions. Another benefit to you is the extra time and energy that has been given to ensuring that your implementation is cleanly organized. This works to make future development additions take less time. Class definitions serve as a resource for future developers and technical staff for troubleshooting and updating the system if required. The database definitions provide a blueprint for database administration if the need arises. Lastly, we have outlined some general troubleshooting steps to further ensure that you have immediate solutions for basic user-induced issues.